What is up, guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Adventures. Now, the iPhone 17 came out yesterday, and so I just picked up a Pro Max in 2 terabytes. Now, I'm terrified to break this thing or get it messed up, so I needed a screen protector. And after testing a ton, I always settle for ESR. The Armorite series is the best budget screen protector you're going to get, and I'm going to show you how to put it on right now. Stay tuned. This is the Armorite screen protectors by ESR. These things come in at 20 bucks, and I think you get 3 of them in here, or at least 2 in this box. I can't remember, but it looks like they have a new way to install them. So I'm going to be learning along with you. When you unbox this thing, it is now in a whole kit. So that's kind of cool. So get it opened up. They've got a thing where you can scan to watch. Looks like a little squeegee here and some cleaning cloths. So, and again, this whole kit is like 19 bucks. These screen protectors don't get all shattery and the corners don't pop off on them and things like that. I really like this brand. So you do have a 24-month warranty on them. Comes with tons of wet wipes, and to make it easy, they give you like steps here. So the wet wipes are step 1. I've got some dust removal stickers as step 3. And all right, let's see if we can figure this out, because I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit different than. So step 1, place phone screen facing down on pull tab inside frame. First thing I'm going to do is wipe my screen. And you can see that the first step is this. You can lightly see that that is embossed with a number 2, the microfiber cloth. So I'm going to get this screen wiped down. And this new phone, guys, if you haven't gotten your 17 yet, it is gorgeous and it feels good in the hand. All right, so there's step 1. Step 2 is the microfiber cloth. So I like to wipe one direction so that you're not just dragging dirt and dust back across. All right. And then our little dust removal stickers, but I don't see any dust. But I'm gonna do it anyway just because they sent it to me. And that's my little lady. You're welcome. All right. All right, guys, so you see these 2 tabs. You want to lock that down over those tabs. Then, now I've got all kinds of dust on my phone again. All right, so when you put this thing on, you want to get it seated pretty well. You're gonna close this thing, put some good pressure on it, and you wanna pull this thing evenly, not too fast, not too slow, and you're just going to there you go. That actually was very easy. I made that so much harder than it needed to be. So it says wait a few seconds, and then all of these little bubbles, you're just going to use this thing to push them to the side. So they give you a super nice little squeegee. It's actually really nice. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but wow, it just goes right out. Super cool. All right, guys, it is that easy. Now they're on, and you do get 2 of these in the bag. So that's pretty cool for 20 bucks. And if you ever need to make another one, you just use those same holes. So now I'm gonna put all my extras back in here. But guys, I'm telling you, this screen protector, they are so good. Overall, I love these screen protectors. Like I said, they don't crack super easily. They're easy to put on. 20 bucks gets you 3. So you're not worried about paying 50 bucks for a zag and then dealing with a warranty when it inevitably breaks. All right, guys, that was it for the ESR Armorite screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'll leave a link, an Amazon link in the description below. As always, thanks for watching, guys.